Hi all, it's Arshad from Tech School of Motoring. Today we're going to talk about how to take a left turn getting into a T junction. So we are approaching, this is our T junction, we're approaching it from this side and we are turning left. We follow exact same procedure, MSPSL. So you're here coming in, mirror, signal to the left, position to the left, slow down and look. This time you check your left mirror again and then you come in here. You see how I'm following the curb and you stop here. Now this is very important. There is a stop sign. You have to stop here. Once you stop, then you look left and right. If there is traffic coming from your right hand side, then you would wait for them to pass on. Once the traffic has moved on, you can make your turn following the curb like that and get into behind the traffic. Once you are on the new road, you check your rear view mirror, you check for any road signs, and you speed up to the speed limit. Okay, now if you're coming here from an 80 kilometer zone and there is no road signs, then you're gonna follow 80 kilometers here as well. Okay, so the same speed from the road you came in. If there is a different speed limit, you should see a speed limit sign here, and then you're going to follow that speed limit. Okay, so again, really quick: mirror, signal, position, slow down, look, check your left mirror, following the curb, you stop, but this time we have traffic coming from the right, so they have a right of way. Okay, once the traffic is passed, you can make your turn as you do normally, following the curb, and off you go. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'll see you in the next